Hello friends, artist Resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm very sorry as I've been inactive quite a while. So as I was unwell and don't know, there were some things that just stopped me from crafting. So let's get creative once again. And this challenge is from Glitter Goblins. I'll add their link in my description, and I'm just going to make this feather tray. Sorry for the extra sounds. So I'm ready with my colors. I'll just pick out the colors. My resin is already mixed, so I'll divide them and mix the colors, and I'll go fast forward in this. So let's start pouring our resin. I'll be just pouring it in at random places. So, but I want the light color to be on this side. So, and rest everything will be on the sides, and will be the effects will form on their own. As you all know, resin has its own mind, and it does whatever it wants to. So let's start. First I'll go I'll just pour this clear. It's not clear, sorry. Now I wanted the lighter color on this. So color will be pushing each other. So what I'm doing is I'm moving towards darker shade. I started with the lighter color, and now I'm moving towards the darker color. I want these glitters to reach the end of the mold. So what I will do, I'll just push it down from the candy stick. Oh, here comes the blunder part. So glitter hasn't reached this part at all. We'll just clean up the mess afterwards once the pour is done. This mess. Let's do that clean place. Won't be there for longer. Okay. Now again, I can see a bubble here. just need to push the colors down. Hope what I was hoping for, it turns out that way only, so finger crossed. Let's look at it after 24 hours. So let's demote. I hope I got the colors and effects what I was hoping for. Let's see. From behind it looks good, but don't know what it will be from the front. Okay, I think I got what I was hoping for. Can you see all the colors? So I wanted green shades and this blue also. Wow, I love it. So I don't need to do anything in it. I just need to trim down these edges and my tray is ready. So if you like my creation, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so that when I upload a new creation video, you will be notified. And when you press that notification button, don't forget to press all option so that you will be notified every time. And yes, please do share if you like this creation. Bye, have a great day.